Oh man, it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna look just like this one?
It should, after just a little bit of cleaning up. Wow. This is so cool. I really love how this works.
Hey, have you ever thought of making a career from something you enjoy? It's possible, you know.
Really?
There are hundreds of jobs you can learn in real-world settings while getting paid.
Oh, cool. Learning a job and getting paid?
Who wouldn't want to do that? So how does it work?
Through the age-old practice of apprenticeship, it's still one of the best paths to discover a field that fits your interests, abilities, and talents. Apprenticeship may sound ancient, and it is. Since the dawn of recorded time, people have learned skills from those who have already mastered them. But 21st century apprenticeship isn't about learning to chisel things out of stone. It's about putting brains before brawn in advanced manufacturing and industries that use science, technology, engineering, and math skills. You know these topics collectively as STEM. They're the keys to success in a huge percentage of today's jobs, and those of the future. In every region of North Carolina, there's a whole network of people, companies, schools, and organizations who would like nothing better than to put you into a challenging, rewarding career with any of a growing number of high-tech companies. A prime example is the Western North Carolina Apprenticeship Alliance, a broad consortium of industrial employers working with regional community colleges.
We had great success with our apprentice program. The people we are getting in here to work are doing great things for us and for themselves.
The catch? Well, there really isn't one. You just need good grades, good school attendance, and some idea of what path you want to follow.
Okay, I've got that. Now what?
Well, if you're a rising senior in high school, you can participate in a pre-apprenticeship program that lets you test drive an industry during the summer between your junior and senior years. One of the first things you'll notice is this is not your granddaddy's factory.
It's really very cool.
Today's industries are clean, well-lit, high-tech, challenging, and rewarding.
I couldn't believe all the stuff they've got going on here, and you probably won't believe it either.
Oh, there's still plenty of great work for people who like to use their hands. But there are even more opportunities for people interested in things like mechatronics, polymers, robotics, fluid and thermodynamics, computers, environmental sciences, metallurgy, and lasers. These are just some of the components of advanced manufacturing and modern industry. And you'll discover, especially when you finish high school and become a full-time apprentice, that there are lots of benefits to being an apprentice. One biggie, you earn while you learn.
Man, this is exactly what I needed. I'm learning how to do a really cool job, and I'm getting paid to learn it.
Your company pays you to learn at work and pays for your college books and tuition as you prepare yourself for your career. That's right. It's basically a scholarship.
I got the gig, I got the pay, I got the books, I got the tuition, I got it going on.
And there's a strong support network. The community college has a success coach who can help apprentices balance the demands of work and school. And there's one-on-one guidance from on-the-job mentors who can also help apprentices with their studies.
This guy finished his coursework, came to work here, and hit the ground running.
When you complete your apprenticeship, you have a nationally recognized certification or credential, a secure, rewarding career in your chosen field, and no student debt.
For someone who doesn't want to wait through 4 years of college to start their career, it's really ideal.
Of course, the companies expect to get something out of this too. But what? Benefits for employers include employees who are groomed to fit into a company's workplace and culture.
She's a natural for this kind of work, and the apprenticeship program has made her fit in like she's always been here.
Employees who arrive with experience. Apprenticeships are mostly on-the-job training, so when the college coursework is finished, employees can devote themselves full-time to their working career, and they'll know just how to do it.
He's become a real go-to guy for us. It was a great investment on our part to put him into the apprenticeship program and through school.
Employees who tend to feel a commitment to the employer, who put them through the apprenticeship program.
I'm on my way now. I've begun my career, and it feels awesome.
It worked for me, and it can work for you.
An apprenticeship is a great way to start your career.
I know the program works. It can launch a career. I'm the living proof.
Apprenticeship can work for you. Let the oldest training method in history shine a bright light on the path to your future.